Hey, this is Spencer with Ace Gutter, and I want to talk about some tips for homeowners that you may not be thinking about when it comes to maintaining a home. On Utah homes, we often see what you can see behind me on this home, where the upper roof lines do not have rain gutter installed on them. And I think what people don't realize is that that ends up costing them thousands of dollars in the long run. The snow will melt, it'll drip down onto the lower roof and splash on the shingles, and that backsplash will go onto the exterior wall. And when that starts to happen, water starts getting into the interior wall and major damage occurs at that point. If there's a stucco exterior, the stucco will retain the moisture and mold will start to grow on the wall. A simple fix to this is to add rain gutters on these upper roof lines. This doesn't cost a lot of money. For a few $100s, you can install rain gutter on upper roof lines. And what we find as you drive through neighborhoods is if one home doesn't have upper roof lines installed to rain gutters, most likely the whole neighborhood doesn't have rain gutters on that upper roof line. So we can offer group discounts if that applies to you. If not, if you're just interested in getting a price of what it would be on your home, you might be surprised on how small of an investment it can be to save you thousands of dollars into the future.